Welcome to week 5. This week we focus on the third and final macronutrient, protein, as well as energy metabolism. The building blocks of protein are amino acids. There are two major types, essential and non-essential amino acids. The essential amino acids cannot be made in adequate amounts within our body, and therefore they need to be consumed in our diet. Non-essential amino acids can be made by the body, and therefore it's not as important that we consume them from food. Protein provides healing, is involved in gene expression, forms structural elements of the body such as muscle, blood, bone, teeth, and skin. This macronutrient also acts as enzymes and hormones. They are acid-base regulators and are involved in the transport of body fluids. They support our immune system as antibodies, and if needed, protein can be sacrificed to provide energy. You will also likely be surprised this week to learn how much, or more correctly, how little protein we actually need daily, and it's a lot less than you might imagine. As for energy metabolism, it's a complex process that occurs at the cellular level in the body, which results in the release of energy, water, and carbon dioxide. The diagrams in the text provide excellent visuals on ATP production, aerobic versus anaerobic metabolism, calorie release, and an exploration of feast and fasting. Notice the YouTube videos reinforce these concepts. We've got one right here and another one here. Also, this week there's a midterm Zoom meeting on Tuesday evening, and that's at 6:30. This is really meant to respond to questions about the 3-day food log project and the diet analysis project, and I'll go through those in detail on Tuesday evening. You will see an announcement for that Zoom link. Quiz 3 also becomes available this week, and Form 2 opens, and there are a couple of mind tap assignments. Let me scroll down here and share. So some details on the form listed here. We expect for you to read the article listed, to respond to that with your own comments and opinion, and also then to dialogue with at least 3 other peers with some conversation that's going to drive the conversation forward. Excuse me, let me rephrase that. That's going to drive the communication forward. I think you'll enjoy this article. And then, of course, we've got 3 mind tap assignments listed here too. I trust that you're finding your way and staying caught up with activities. This 10-week format does squish a lot of 14 to 16-week content into just 10 fast-paced weeks. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great week.